Welcome, investors, to an essential guide on navigating Dubai's dynamic real estate market, where understanding hidden costs is key to maximizing your investment. Dubai's market is renowned for its tax-free environment, high rental yields, and significant capital appreciation potential, making it highly attractive globally. However, beyond the purchase price, potential buyers should be aware of additional costs that can accumulate to 6 to 7% of the property's value. One primary hidden cost is the Dubai Land Department, or DLD, transfer fee, which stands at 4% of the property's purchase price. Additionally, there's a property registration fee, 2,000 dirhams plus 5% VAT for properties under 500,000 dirhams, or 4,000 dirhams plus 5% VAT for those above. You'll also encounter a title deed issuance fee of approximately 250 dirhams and an administrative fee ranging from 430 dirhams to 580 dirhams, depending on the property type. Another significant cost is the trustee fee, which is 2,000 dirhams plus VAT for properties under 500,000 dirhams, totaling 2,100 dirhams. For properties valued above 500,000 dirhams, this trustee fee increases to 4,000 dirhams plus VAT, amounting to 4,200 dirhams. These trustee fees cover crucial services like legal verification, fund handling, official registration, and the issuance of your new title deed. If you're considering a mortgage, be prepared for additional fees, including a mortgage registration fee of 0.25% of the loan amount plus 290 dirhams. Other mortgage-related expenses include a property valuation fee of 2,500 dirhams to 3,500 dirhams plus VAT, and a bank processing fee of 0.5% to 1% of the loan. Now let's compare two distinct investment paths, off-plan properties versus ready or secondary properties. For off-plan properties, the down payment is typically 20%, while ready properties require 20 to 35% or the full amount up front. The 4% DLD fee applies to both off-plan and ready properties, ensuring consistency in this particular cost. Off-plan purchases involve admin fees of 2,500 dirhams to 5,000 dirhams, whereas ready properties incur trustee, agency, conveyancing, and mortgage fees. Ownership for off-plan properties is granted after completion, offering a future asset, while ready properties provide immediate ownership. Off-plan is ideal for long-term investors seeking potential capital appreciation, while ready properties suit immediate use or rental income generation. Entry costs are generally lower for off-plan properties, making them accessible, but higher for ready properties due to immediate availability. Dubai's real estate market is notably faster, more tax-friendly, and transparent compared to many other global hubs. Investors can anticipate excellent rental yields and significant potential for capital appreciation in this dynamic market. With no income, capital gains, or property tax, Dubai offers a largely tax-free environment, enhancing investment returns. Its strategic location, advanced infrastructure, and stable market growth further solidify Dubai's appeal as a prime investment destination. Thank you for joining us. We hope this guide empowers your real estate investment decisions in Dubai.